How to log the file in Cam Scanner application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can log your file in Cam Scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. We have to open the Cam Scanner application and you can see I have different files. Now you can see that if I wanted to log one of my file, let me select this one and I wanted to log this file. So all I have to do is to type right here on the three dots. So you have to tap right here. After that you can see the log option. So you will have to tap right here on the log. I hope you like my video and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.